In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dependencies in Clickup, a useful skill to enhance your task management process. This guide will help you systematically link tasks, ensuring that your team stays organized and on schedule. Whether you're managing a large project or just coordinating daily tasks, understanding dependencies is crucial. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Clickup's main website. If you're not already familiar with Clickup, it's a comprehensive tool designed to help manage everything from simple to-do lists to complex project workflows. Once you're there, the next step is to locate the Login button at the top of the web page. Clicking on this button will redirect you to the login page. For those who prefer using Google for your credentials, you can click on Sign in to Google. This is a convenient option if you're already logged in through your browser, as it minimizes the hassle of remembering multiple passwords. Simply select your Google account from the list presented. If you have multiple Google accounts, be sure to pick the one associated with your Clickup workspace to avoid any hiccups later. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to the section where your tasks reside. Choose the specific task for which you want to create a dependency. You can do this by clicking on the task title and you will see the details panel for the task open on the right hand side. Look for the three little dots, which is often the universal symbol for more options. Clicking on these dots reveals a drop-down list. Now, select the option labeled Dependencies. This is where ClickUp allows you to control how different tasks relate to one another. You'll be presented with three key options: waiting on, blocking, and tasks. To create a dependency, decide whether your task is awaiting others, waiting on, or is a prerequisite for others, blocking. Each type of dependency serves a unique purpose in workflow management. For this walkthrough, let's focus on setting a waiting on dependency. To do this, click on the +add waiting on task button. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the task that your current task is waiting on. A list of tasks will appear, allowing you to select the appropriate one. Once you've selected the task, the final step is straightforward. Click on the Done button to save your selection. This action will finalize the dependency, linking the two tasks together formally. And there you have it. You've successfully created a dependency in ClickUp, streamlining your workflow by ensuring tasks are completed in the correct order. This method allows for improved planning and execution, ensuring that no task is initiated prematurely. By mastering dependencies in ClickUp, you're on your way to more efficient project management. Thanks for following along, and happy organizing.